Hello, everybody. This is Dud Boyer, and this is Burping and Shit 6. Oh, man, I feel so much better. I feel so much better. I have to fart, dude. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, I feel great.
God damn, you don't sound great. You sound like a stocked up Camo.
I like to lie a lot.
Oh god.
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Oh, this guy is gonna die from laughter.
Yeah, and I'm trying to die in two different ways, apparently.
Uh-oh.
Remember, boys and girls, cigarettes are expensive. Pipe tobacco's cheap as shit. Remember that. Yeah. Good tin hut. That one I call the sprinkler.
Right?
I actually came up with that like a couple of years ago, dude. Oh my god. I can't believe how much burpee makes you really want to spit.
I know, right? Got a rad of. I'm waiting for one of these times. One of us is going to puke, or someone is going to be in the middle of a huge belch, and particles will be with it. It will happen. Talk about a real puke storm. We might have to start a new series. Burping, shitting, and puking.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
This is a special one. Requires a lot of mental concentration and just a little bit of holding my glass.
He's gonna burp snart.
Oh, God. I'm not a genius, but I can do this.
Damn. I felt that like it was almost like bass, dude. I swear your burp had bass to it, dude.
That kind of made my head hurt. Ow.
Oh, man. I could fucking eat another meal now, dude.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I can't. I feel like I just took a fat dab almost. Oh, my God. I think I'm losing brain cells by
lack of oxygen. It's going into our stomachs and out our asses and mouth instead of being breathed into our lungs.
Well, I guess that's a quarter of the way true for me. I'm not only not getting air, I'm getting tobacco at the same time. It's a combination that'll really put a nail in your grave. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, my God.
Wow, what a combo! Couple that with drinking and toking, along with tobacco smoking. Oh man, what a fucked up world I live in. Try to get a symphony going on there. It's like,
wait.
oh.
Oh. Wait, let's see if I can still do it.
Oh, dude, it sounds hollow. Listen. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but it sounds like fucking hollow. That's bad. Oh no.
I'm gonna try something, but it's not gonna work out all the way.
So I need to buy my
Oh, damn it! It got stuck.
I hate when that happens.
All right, I gotta start over now. Let's see if I can rekindle this fire.